Thereof, Trip Permit gets the first call. Coming on quickly to the inside now is Wise Honor. Mind That Bird is back in third. Then Trigronaut on Wings of Trust, and trailing early is Meadowbank. And Wise Honor comes through on the inside of Trip Permit to lead this field to the half-mile pole, and it's Wise Honor who leads at a length. The opening quarter was brisk, 22-2 for these babies. And it's Wise Honor with 3 furlongs to go. Trip Permit is at his flank in second position. Riding the rails is Mind That Bird. Trigronaut Out of Trouble on the outside, fourth, just 2 lengths off the lead. Being roused from fifth on Wings of Trust. And trailing is Meadowbank, the half in 45-4. And they're at the top of the stretch. Trip Permit. Wise Honor has room at the rail. Between horses is Mind That Bird. Trigronaut is on the extreme outside. Final furlong. And Mind That Bird accelerates to the lead for Constant Montpellier. Final 70 yards now. And it's Mind That Bird to win it at 9-1. Trip Permit second. Trigronaut third. And Wise Honor fourth.